Yeah, I mean the two investments we typically make early on with our customers as they're thinking about optimization versus transformation is a architecture workshop and a customer engagement mapping workshop. And that's typically the start to what you were just getting at, which is okay, if our architecture viewpoint is efficient and our customer engagement flow from call it start to serve or find win keep grow, whatever the right terminology is that you use, if we have those clean and we have all the text mapping to the different parts of the company operations, then we can get really dangerous around the key impacts. And so I think the 1-2 punch in all of this is this leveraging the Salesforce account teams and resourcing to do some of that early on work while also having the right partner like Thunder riding shotgun so that from the start, they're part of the workshops so that as they get into scoping and really dialing in the different key moments that matter first in terms of the actions and implementations and changes to optimize, we're not doing it step by step. We're all in motion together and in the flow of work. Yeah, I mean, the good news is every customer should be thinking about not only the employees they have on staff who can drive value with their Salesforce investments and general tech investments, but they should also be thinking about how they can leverage the ecosystem of partners. And we have some really great partners. Yeah, I typically give three pieces of advice to start. The first, when we have a new employee, the first thing is all about the network. How do you get to know the people around you? How do you understand who's good at what, where you can have a support system? We have so much resourcing at this company. How do you sort of get advice and guidance on how to navigate that? How do you bring a certain energy to the people around you, right? To live the culture and the values of the company. So that's primary responsibility and number one. Number two is every rep who starts at Salesforce is the CEO of their dirt. And as they think about their dirt, of course, getting the understanding of their dirt, the accounts, the supporting cast in there that are going to help them deliver success with their accounts, which includes the ecosystem, right? What are the top partners? What are the top ISV solutions to be offering, et cetera? And if they can do those two things, then they can get dangerous to number three, which is get active. It's a really easy, it's a really easy button to come in and just get analysis by paralysis. But the real quality of learnings and understandings and getting in front of your customers and really learning the cultures and the challenges and the behaviors of the customers is action, is active, is going, making the phone calls, calling the people we haven't talked to. And so those are the three. And if reps can get to know their team around them and bring good energy to it, if they can come in and really put a plan in place and be the CEO of their dirt, and if they can go activate that in short order, not only does it set them up for success early on, but it sort of creates a momentum that leads to long-term success. Second is do what you say you're going to do. I think partners can oftentimes gain a lot of trust by saying they can't do something because of whether the bandwidth or the time frame or whatever. I think it's really important to align with the consistency in doing what you say you're going to do and bringing that level of quality to the work.